Goho Cruz. Abis. Orgo. From the elbow.
Sean Orgo.
Orgo. Binalik kay Sevilla. Orgo. Wow! Sean Orgo!
Sasabihin ko palang grabe yung lockdown defense si Villegas sa kanya. But the moment na umander si Villegas, good recognition from Orgo na malilibre yung 3-point shot niya.
I want to see that again. You know?
Good read. Good read on that shot. Umander yung bantay mo, tira mo yung 3 points. Off of that, Villegas assist and offensive rebound. Na behind the back pass pa. Alam mo, hirap na hirap akong gawin yun. Nagpapaturo ako lagi kay Coach Aris kung paano ba gagawin yung ganung pasa.
Tsaka yung gawin mo within the play.
Yes. Yung hindi yung nagpapaka-fancy-fancy ka lang. Kaya mo siya ginawa is because you read the defense.
Goho Cruz. The third. Borat. Orgo has to shoot. Sean Orgo. Straight away. So here we are. Orgo. Oh, he's been lights out. Bonanan. And Orgo comes up with the rebound.
It was almost the same play doon sa layup ni Montaño. Pero since sinaraduan na siya,
that's another 3 for MGC from his favorite spot.
finish na mga ganong kahirap na mga tira. And right when LPU needed it most, he delivered.
Oh, what a pass. Pagara, short. Goho Cruz, offensive rebound. Goho Cruz nearly falling down. Paano? How? Mark Goho Cruz. He gives Perpetual a 5-point lead.